Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at jazztime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 31 reference 177200 gray dial, dark gray dial, stainless steel with dome bezel. I'm going to talk to you guys about the case, the bezel, the dial, the bracelet, the movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. This watch is 31 millimeter, as I said at the very beginning. That's from my thumb to my index finger. It's a perfect ladies mid-size or a small child. So Rolex makes their Oyster Perpetuals also in 26, 28, 31, 34, 39. That's a lot of millimeters. So you can pretty much have your choice of whatever you want. Now, I think, my personal opinion, is 31 is a perfect size for mid-size ladies. In fact, it's the most popular, so yeah. Anyhow, let's move on. It's, as I said at the beginning, this watch is made of stainless steel, and it has a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown. Rolex calls this material oyster steel. It's all stainless steel everywhere. Now, onto the bezel. The bezel is a domed bezel. That means it has, instead of having a fluted bezel like some other ones, the Oyster Perpetual line uses stainless steel, and it's domed. I like that because it makes the watch much more rugged, makes it much easier to wear every day. For example, when you're doing dishes, you don't have to worry about the domed bezel getting scratched. Okay, it's also water resistant to 100 meters, so you could use it pretty much for everything. It's a very bulletproof watch. Now let's move on to the dial. The dial is a dark gray. They make this dial configuration in many different configurations. This dial configuration, dark gray, is new, at least as of 2020. So it's a pretty cool dial, wouldn't you agree? It almost looks chocolate, it looks gray, it looks dark. I'm not really sure. It looks different in like different settings of light, which is why I'm trying to show it to you. It also has Roman numerals, which I think is pretty interesting. Only thing I don't like about Roman numerals is it doesn't light up at night. But who needs to see it at night anyways? Or you can just buy an index dial. Okay, now let's talk about the movement. The movement is refreshed for 2020. It's a caliber 2231. It's precise to plus minus 2 seconds a day, and it has a power reserve of 48 hours. Don't really need to know too much about the movement since you can't see it anyways. It's automatic. The bracelet is a Oyster flat 3-piece link, and it's made of stainless steel, as you might imagine, and it has a Oyster clasp, also known as a folding Oyster clasp. You can close it like that. And what I'll bring your attention to is the insignia is actually engraved in there, which is a nice touch by them. It's not raised like some other models. I actually think that's pretty cool. Now, as far as the buckle, there is no comfort extension, so you really have to set this at the size that you want, just like that. Alright, anyhow, so I want to try it on. Keep in mind I'm a man, very handsome man, but still a man nonetheless, so this watch is going to look not like the same as it would on a woman, but you could use your imagination, less the hair and less the size. That's how it looks like on the wrist. And if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, please visit us at jazztime.com, jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.